What you guys, got another quick video here on a free program called Windows Tweaker 4.1. You can get it from this website here. It's a free download, and what it does is it allows you to make changes to your operating system, 100 useful tweaks to your operating system. Now there's a ton of these on the internet, but this one I wanted to have a quick look at, and it does work with Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista and Windows XP as claimed here. But it allows you to do loads of different tweaks to it. So let's have a look at the actual program in action. I'm just going to quickly right click on this and run this as administrator. This is the portable version, but as you can see here we've got a load of tabs here, and we can just go through these tabs and make changes to our operating system. Now also create a restore point and also back up your system before making any changes to it, just in case something goes wrong. Now on the first page here you can system configuration, you can tweak this, as you can see here, kill applications immediately and shut down straight away, or you can do the registry tweak here, which is a normal one, but you can actually edit it here. We've also got Windows Installer, disable Windows Installer service, and all these other useful ones here. I'm not going to go through everything. Now a useful one that people always ask me is how you change the information on my computer. I'll show you that. So basically when you go to computer and go properties, it's this information here. People wanted to add their own company information when they build custom machines, and this is how you can do it. You can do it with this program here. It's very simple, very quick to do. So manufacturer, we'll just put something in here quickly, and we'll just put something like this, and model, we'll call it Razor, say, and phone number we'll just put 555 555, and URL we can put in our URL for our website, for our business, like so. And then for your logo you can select a logo. I have one logo here. I'm just going to quickly put that in there now. Now don't worry if it looks squished, it will be okay once done. Now obviously once you save this, that's going to close that off, log off, and then we'll log back on and those changes will be made. So let's just quickly have a look at what it's done. We'll go to properties here, and there we have our actual logo, as you can see there, the one I put on, and we've got the Brightech computer support, the phone number, and the website online support. Click on that and it will take you to your website, as you can see here. Very simple and straightforward. Okay, so that's how you can set that up there. So let's have a look at the actual other features of the program. Now once you've done this one you can move on to the next step here, again Explorer, and again you can make some changes here. As you can see, this is to your drive letter display. You've got some notification areas. You can show the notification area or take these ticks out if you wish, and also you've got the advanced area, and you can go through this to set it up how you wish. Okay, properties, this is the hide the security folders, files and search options, and all that drive, you know, you got hidden files, folders and drives. You can put this ticks in there and add those in. And also we've got add recycle bin to my computer and add registry editor to control panel. So if you did that, it would add it into your control panel. Okay, so let's have a look at display. Again, you can go through this as much as you like here and set it up how you want. You can change color schemes and stuff like that. The right click options, again, you can add in all your copy to folder, to right click context menu, which is your basically the right click menu. When you change this, you can put add copy to folder inside this right click context menu here, and that's basically what that's going to do there. Also you can put some other areas here and do these, add encryption, open with notepad, and so on and so on and so on. and you can do that by adding those in, putting the ticks in these here. Pretty straightforward stuff. Add custom programs. You can add a custom program, add your favorite applications and websites to your right click context menu. Now you see me cover this in other videos with other tools, but this does the same sort of thing really. You can add in programs into here and you can just click on them, and also you can see on your right click menu here, that's what that's going to do. And you can also remove icons as well. So by adding, you just add in the URL or the file path, you just browse to that, which will open up this area, and you just go to that location. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. Now the start menu, you've also can add a folder, add a file, and delete stuff here. Let's move on to places. Again, you've got your God mode here. You can browse to that, and also open with, customize your open with selection. The power button, you can change this also as well. Default open with, and you can change all this here if you wish. Startup manager, launch startup manager. Let's move on to the tasks. As you can see here, we can schedule a shutdown right from this location. Okay, we've also got special hiding, and we can hide a folder, and we can also do some other locations here. Hide a file, unhide a folder, and also unhide a file. So if you want to hide something, you can do that pretty much. So let's hide this file here. So we're going to hide a file. We're going to hide this one. Click open, and that will give it the grayed out look. As you see, it's now hidden. It's gone. And then to unhide that, you can unhide this file here and find it. Click open, and it will come back, as you can see. Pretty straightforward stuff. Pretty cool feature. So let's have a look here. So we've got special folders and names and stuff. We can also do that here. You can go through this with more time. Features, again, packed with features here. You can change some of these areas here. I'm not going to go through everything because it will take too long to cover. Again, log on, you can change all your log on, enable automatic log on. You see me cover some of this stuff, and also startup sounds, screensaver lock, and so on. You've got all this sort of area here, you can see. Restrictions, this is your restrictions area. You can set up your restrictions to how you like. So disable file menu in Windows Explorer, disable folder options, disable right click menu. So basically, if you did that, this is a highly sensitive tweak. Proceeding at your own risk. Click OK, and basically what that's going to do is disable your right click context menu. So if you right click, at the moment we've got a right click here. So if I save this and we logged off, and we're going to log back on. Now if I try the right click menu, it's gone. It's not working, as you can see. Okay, so let's fire this back up, and I can't fire this up as run as this administrator, so I'm just going to have to run this as normal because the right click context menu's been disabled. Restrictions, and we're going to take this out of there. Okay, I'm going to quickly log off. No. And we can change that. So you can see this function's got some usability. We can actually set up this on kids' computers maybe and block them, or whatever you want to try and block. Okay, you've got the start menu part, and you've also got some other features here which you can do some stuff with. Disable, okay, task manager, disable that, disable registry editor. Great quick tweaks to do on a computer where you don't want to give them access to this in case they mess it up. You can actually disable all those areas. Okay, great little security feature there. I'm going to go to maintenance here, boot defragmentation, enable that, and also last known good configuration. Some other bits and pieces that you can change here, some group policy here, and auto reboot. Let's have a look at the last one, utilities. We've got the group policy editor, component services, and so on. Device manager. I think when you click on these, it'll open these up straight away, as you can see, and Windows services, and click on these and it will open up Windows services. So they're like shortcut links to these locations. Okay, pretty useful. And you can see all the other stuff here. There's loads of others. That covers all the tabs at the top. There is a little options tab here. Check for updates, password protect, so you can password protect this, and there's a little about here which covers the about of this guy who created it. You can visit his web page here, and also give him some feedback and suggestions. Okay, and I think that's about it for that program. So if you want to give it a go, then you can give it a download. Also, I would say but yeah, make sure you back up your system before you do anything, and make sure that you take a restore point of your system before you make any changes, so you can revert back. Okay, so anyway, so I hope this one helps you out. It's a quick video. So my name is Brian from brightechcomputers.co.uk. If you enjoy these videos, then hit the like button, guys. Also leave a comment if you've got any questions or any video requests or anything like that, and I'll do my best to make those videos for you. And thanks again for watching, guys, and thanks for your support. Bye for now.